I was also successful until I started Nvidia. At Nvidia, I experienced failures, great big ones, all humiliating and embarrassing. Many nearly doomed us. Let me tell you 3 Nvidia stories that define us today. We founded Nvidia to create accelerated computing. Our first application was 3D graphics for PC gaming. We invented an unconventional 3D approach called forward texture mapping and curves. Our approach was substantially lower cost. We won a contract with Sega to build their game console, which attracted games for our platform and funded our company. After 1 year of development, we realized our architecture was the wrong strategy. It was technically poor. And Microsoft was about to announce Windows 95 Direct 3D based on inverse texture mapping and triangles. Many companies were already working on 3D chips to support this standard. If we completed Sega's game console, we would have built inferior technology, be incompatible with Windows, and be too far behind to catch up. But we would be out of money if we didn't finish the contract. Either way, we would be out of business. I contacted the CEO of Sega and explained that our invention was the wrong approach, that Sega should find another partner, and that we could not complete the contract and the console. We had to stop. But I needed Sega to pay us in whole, or Nvidia would be out of business. I was embarrassed to ask. Irimajiri-san, the CEO of Sega, to his credit and my amazement, agreed. His understanding and generosity gave us 6 months to live. With that, we built Riva 128, just as we were running out of money. Riva 128 shocked the young 3D market, put us on the map, and saved the company. The strong demand for our chip led me back to Taiwan after leaving at the age of 4 to meet Morris Chang at TSMC and started a partnership that has lasted 25 years. Confronting our mistake and with humility asking for help saved Nvidia. These traits are the hardest for the brightest and most successful like yourself. In 2007, we announced CUDA GPU accelerated computing. Our aspiration was for CUDA to become a programming model that boosts applications from scientific computing and physics simulations to image processing. Creating a new computing model is incredibly hard and rarely done in history. The CPU computing model has been the standard for 60 years since the IBM System 360. CUDA needed developers to write applications and demonstrate the benefits of the GPU. Developers needed a large installed base, and a large CUDA installed base needed customers buying new applications. So to solve the chicken or the egg problem, we used GeForce, our gaming GPU. which already had a large market of gamers, to build the installed base. But the added cost of CUDA was very high. Nvidia's profits took a huge hit for many years. Our market cap hovered just above $1 billion. We suffered many years of poor performance. Our shareholders were skeptical of CUDA and preferred we focused on improving profitability. But we persevered. We believed the time for accelerated computing would come. We created a conference called GTC and promoted CUDA tirelessly worldwide. Then the applications came. Seismic processing, CT reconstruction, molecular dynamics, particle physics, fluid dynamics, and image processing. One science domain after another, they came. We worked with each developer to write their algorithms and achieved incredible speedups. Then, in 2012, AI researchers discovered CUDA. The famous AlexNet, trained on GeForce GTX 580, started the Big Bang of AI. Fortunately, we realized the potential of deep learning as a whole new software approach and turned every aspect of our company to advance this new field. We risked everything to pursue deep learning. A decade later, the AI revolution started, and Nvidia is the engine of AI developers worldwide. We invented CUDA and pioneered accelerated computing and AI, but the journey forged our corporate character to endure the pain and suffering that is always needed to realize a vision. One more story. In 2010, Google aimed to develop Android into a mobile computer with excellent graphics. The phone industry had chip companies with modem expertise. Nvidia's computing and graphics expertise made us an ideal partner to help build Android. So we entered the mobile chip market. We were instantly successful, and our business and stock price surged. The competition quickly swarmed. Modem chip makers were learning how to build computing chips, and we were learning how to build modems. The phone market is huge. We could fight for share. Instead, we made a hard decision and sacrificed the market. Nvidia's mission is to build computers to solve problems that ordinary computers cannot. We should dedicate ourselves to realizing our vision and to making a unique contribution. Our strategic retreat paid off. By leaving the phone market, we opened our minds to invent a new one. We imagined creating a new type of computer for robotic computers with neural network processor, safety architectures that run AI algorithms. At the time, this was a $0 billion market. To retreat from a giant phone market to create a $0 billion robotics market. We now have billions of dollars of automotive and robotics business and started a new industry.